This is Todd Frizzle from the Oracle NMS OMA development team. Today I'm going to demonstrate how an OMA user can find a planned switching event, assign it to themselves, and complete the switching event. During this demonstration I'll identify two OMA feature requests required to complete this scenario. Here we have an Android tablet where we'll run OMA and an NMS operator workspace, both connected to the same server. We will take an already existing switching sheet that will isolate an area, replace a transformer, and then restore the area again. Initially, there are no crews assigned to the switching sheet or the planned switching event. On the NMS system, we're going to go through the steps to issue the switching sheet. In the NMS viewer, we can see the planned switching event location on the map. Typically, an NMS operator would just assign the planned event to the crew, and it would show up on the OMA task list. With this scenario, the OMA crew will be emailed the device location where they will perform the work, and the OMA user will be responsible to assign themselves to the event. Here we can see the OMA user opening the email and getting the device ID where the work will be performed. The OMA user will open the OMA application, log in, and notice that they have no active assignments. The OMA user can open up the OMA map and search for the device they were instructed to go to. Once at the device location, the OMA user can select the device and assign themselves to the event. Notice the NMS work agenda shows the OMA user's crew is assigned to the event. And on the OMA device, the event is now in the task list, and the associated switching sheet is available for them to look at. Here is the first new feature request for OMA. The OMA user should be able to self-instruct the steps of the switching sheet that they are assigned to. For this demonstration, I will use NMS to do the instructs. Notice the OMA switch sheet shows the steps that have been instructed. The OMA user does the work to isolate the area, and in OMA indicates the isolation steps are complete. Notice the NMS viewer and work agenda is getting updated as the steps are getting completed in OMA. Also notice that the NMS switch sheet is getting updated too. Now that we've completed the isolation steps, I'm going to do the same in NMS to instruct the maintenance steps. Again, we see the maintenance steps instructed in OMA, and the OMA user can complete them. We will now do the same for the restoration steps. We have now completed all the steps of the switch sheet, and it's time to complete the switching sheet itself. Here's the second OMA feature request. The OMA user should be able to complete the switch sheet using a button on the switch sheet. Again, to complete this scenario, I will do this action in NMS. Once the switch sheet is complete, notice that the planned job in the sheet is removed from the OMA device.